Welcome to the University of Georgia, the birthplace of public higher education in America, in one of the country's best college towns, Athens, Georgia. We're here at the Arch, the gateway of campus. The Arch is a UGA icon. Modeled after the state seal, the three pillars stand for wisdom, justice, and moderation. This is our beautiful North Campus, the original UGA campus. Chartered in 1785, UGA was the first public institution of higher education in America. UGA combines the old with the new, from historic buildings like the chapel and Old College to state-of-the-art research facilities. North Campus is home to our honors program and Cura, the Center for Undergraduate Research Opportunities, where undergraduates of any major can participate in faculty-led research. And on our South Campus, we recently dedicated a new Science Learning Center to house classrooms and labs for these STEM fields. That's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. UGA offers one of the most well-rounded college educations in the country. We have more than 700 student organizations, numerous student leadership opportunities, and student service is a UGA tradition. And every undergraduate participates in experiential learning, from research to internships to study abroad. UGA takes you from the middle of Athens to around the globe and back. And our stadium is an incredible experience, welcoming more than 92,000 fans during the fall. This campus becomes a second home to our students. There are 22 different residence halls, each with its own unique character, and award-winning dining halls on campus. Our students are ready for life after graduation. 95% of our graduates are in grad school or employed within 6 months of graduating. And we like to keep it that way. We recently started our Double Dogs program, giving students the chance to earn a bachelor's and master's degree in just 5 years. Just one of the many ways we're prepping students for life after college. Our campus continues to grow, as you can see by our new business learning community, home of the Terry College of Business, where 1 out of 4 undergraduates study. And our College of Engineering is the fastest growing school on campus. Here at Georgia, we're committed to providing a top-notch education in an exceptional learning environment. But don't just take our word for it. We'll see you in Athens.